Tua Tre'nd Face and Body is a compact device which allows you to stimulate the muscles of both the face and body. Over the years, your face changes noticeably. Wrinkles appear, skin loses its normal elasticity, becomes flabby and loses tone. Cosmetic treatments can moisten and smooth the skin but can do nothing to prevent sagging. To firm the face, it is necessary to work on the structure of the skin, that is, on the muscles called cutaneous muscles because they are part of the skin. The plastic surgeon, in carrying out a facelift, works on this very important part of the face. Plastic surgery, however, carries numerous contraindications. It can cause bruising and hematomas. It is very expensive and often it is far too obvious, leaving the face looking unnatural. Induced stimulation, on the other hand, increases muscle tone harmlessly, selectively and speedily. It works on the principle of induced electrical stimulation. Would you like to know the advantages? Your brain stimulates your muscles by transmitting electrochemical impulses. In the same way, Tua Tre'nd, by means of electrodes, applies low-intensity electrical currents to your muscles. These currents are controlled and completely safe. They make the muscles targeted contract quickly and effortlessly, a form of passive exercise, ideal for firming the muscles and keeping you in trim. The microcurrent generated by Tua Tre'nd produces ample, deep contractions of the muscle, increasing oxygen flow and nourishment of the tissues. This improves the metabolism and stimulates production of elastic fibers. The face regains its natural beauty and tone without surgical lifting. Just a few treatments a week are enough to recover lost tone and keep your face looking young and attractive. Position the electrode vertically just above the corner of the mouth and draw it along the entire arc of the cheekbone. You can also try another treatment. Position the electrode obliquely to the corner of the mouth and continue as far as the ear, stimulating the lower part of the cheekbone. Position the electrode obliquely, exactly on the corner of the jawline. Now draw it as far as the ear, following the contours of your face. Program number 3 is for treating the forehead and all the zone of the temples. Stimulating the muscles of the forehead helps to reduce wrinkles and raise the eyebrow zone. Program number 4 is for stimulating the chin, jaw and neck. This exercise makes the lower lip fuller and combats atrophying. This is a so-called bisha adipoid, which softens as time passes and which is stimulated and firmed by this exercise. Position the electrode vertically and stimulate all the neck zone and under the chin. The 5th and last program is for the eye socket zone. This exercise is very useful for reducing bags under the eyes, as it carries out draining stimulation without lowering the eyelid, toning the entire zone. Tua Tre'nd lets you do physical exercises at home or wherever you like, with no effort and no stress for the bone structure and the spinal column, so avoiding inflammation and pathological situations. There are very many advantages in induced stimulation and its fields of application in physiotherapy, training for sports and beauty treatments. Numerous tests in the fields of medicine and sport have shown that the correct application of specific programs for at least 2 months can bring about a 10% reduction in body fat. Program number 1, SLIM, is designed to reduce adipose deposits, excess fat which accumulates through eating the wrong kinds of food or because of insufficient physical exercise. Lipocell, program number 3, contrasts the unsightly effects of cellulite and water retention, stimulating elimination of waste substances which clog the cells. Program 4, MASS, is useful for strengthening and increasing the mass of the pectoral muscles or lifting the breasts. To slim and firm the insides of the thighs, apply the electrodes like this and use the programs Lipocell, Slim and Tone. The programs Slim and Tone are the most suitable for firming, shaping and lifting the buttocks. Use the Tone program. As you have seen, Tua Tre'nd Face and Body is a device simple to use but containing highly sophisticated technology. You can choose the program best suited to your needs and work on those muscles which need to be toned, strengthened or relaxed. With Tua Tre'nd Face and Body, it's very easy to improve your physical shape and, why not, also your mental shape. Thank you for following me this far and happy exercising with your Tua Tre'nd.